So this is going to be a complete tutorial on Wonders AI. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. I'm going to walk you through each and every step of Wonders AI. Before that, let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say. So at any time during this video, if you want to get Wonders AI at a lifetime deal, make sure you click the first link in the description, in which I'm going to be giving you all of my exclusive bonuses. So in AppSumo, you could be getting Wonders AI for a lifetime deal, and also you get a refundable up to 60 days with $69 at its price point. And if you look at it's best for consultants, educators, small businesses, and it's an alternative to Copy.ai and Jasper. So you can be seeing all of these features. And talking about the licensed tier, so it has got almost 4 licensed tier, and all of the licensed tier give you a lifetime access. So the difference is that the AI searches per month is only 100 here. So here it's about 500, and here it is 2500, and the license tier 4 will give you unlimited. And the team members that you could be adding here is 1, and it's 3 here, and it's 5 here, and it's 10. So the collaborative workspaces is 1, 5, 15, and unlimited. And here the team dashboard, team roles and administration, and organization administration, you won't be getting in license tier 1 and 2, but in 3 and 4 you could be getting. But rest of the features, it's pretty much the same. So you can be going with based on what you want with your organizational goal or whatever your research goals are. So now let's go to the dashboard of Wonders AI. So here you have to type in your research topic. So basically it can be anything. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to be going with. So this is going to be the topic I'm going to be going with. So once you route your topic, you have to just click on create a project. So you're going to be popped up with this particular interface over here. So as you can see, this is my question. So if you want to ask another question, you can edit here as well. And also you could be asking the context. So you can describe what you know about the particular research already, or what are your goals. You could be describing your context here, and you could be clicking the next button. And here you could be getting some suggested topics from this particular topic over here. So you could be seeing the topic here, and you could be seeing all of these suggested topics. So there are 10 of them. And if you want to refresh this topics, all you have to do is just refresh the topic list, and the topics will be refreshed. And also there is also a patent section. So here also you could be getting a suggested questions. So similar to this particular question, so there are some patent questions also. So you could be looking at that as well. And here you could be seeing the answer to your question. So can AI replace all your jobs? So here you could be seeing your research answer. So this is the research that they're showing. And if you want to get more of the research question from the academic and the patent, all you have to do is just click on one of them, and it will automatically start creating here. So as you can see, it's creating here. So let me just show you that. So it's loading my summary, and it will soon be shown here. So as you can see, based on this topic over here, it has generated me the research. So you could be doing this easily. You have to just click on the tick box, and it will automatically go and search. Now, if you want to ask some patent topics, maybe you want to ask this one, it's going to generate over here. So it's loading my summary. So let's just wait in the meantime. So also guys, in the patent also, you could be generating more similar topics as well. So there is academic and patents. So keep that in mind. And here you could be seeing all of your research that has been generated. Okay, so here the patent topic has been generated. So this is very easy. You could be easily doing it. So one thing to keep in mind is that if you scroll down, you could be seeing all of this. So you could be doing a search filter here. So let me just show you how you do that. And you could be changing the year or when the research was. And based on when you want your research, you could be doing that. And you can see how much results are there. And you could be going with the highest citations, most relevant, or the newest. And you could be even typing the author's name to find those research papers. And also you could be accessing this open access papers as well. So that is it for the search filters. And also you could be adding groups if you want. So those are some of the features you could be getting. and there's an edit boolean search. So you could be going with AI, automation, job displacement, technology, unemployment. So basically what you have to do is just keep on adding your keyword. So just add your keyword. Maybe you type in a keyword, and based on that, they are going to be showing you similar research papers. So sometimes you might not know what all things are there in the research paper. Maybe you don't know what a reinforcement learning is. So all you have to do is just write a note here, and you will get to know what reinforcement learning is in the notebook section. So that's what it is. And you could be analyzing all your searches for a conclusion. So we have 3 searches right now, and you're going to be getting a conclusion for all the 3 searches. So for that, you have to click to analyze all searches, and you can get all the conclusion here from the 3 topics. So as you can see, they have generated me a conclusion based on these 3 topics. So you can go ahead and look at. So this is the conclusion that they have made. And also, if you didn't like it, you could always do a regenerate conclusion. You could press it over here. So again, guys, if you don't know anything over here, you could be asking the notebook pretty easily. And also you could be sharing your research with your members, as well as you could be giving this link to your desired person to actually share the research. And also you could be exporting it. You could be exporting it either in the report section under PDF, docs, or LaTeX. And the background and conclusion you could add if you want, and the reference also you could add, and you could press on export. And there is also bibliography. If you want it this way, you could be doing it, and you could be seeing the format, any of the format that you want, and also the style that you want. You can go ahead and download if you want. And so that's basically it for this video. Now if you go back, you can see that your projects will be shown here. So you can see that AI replace all of your jobs. So your research is going to be shown here, and in the recently viewed, you could be seeing all of your research here, and the conclusion, in progress, shared with me, all of that you could be seeing. And here you could be creating a company. So what research you are based on, you could be creating a company based on that. And also here you could be adding your team members and all of that. So that's basically it for this video, and this is exactly how Wonders AI work. I really hope you like this video, and if you want to get Wonders AI, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video.